So we're at Jaipur train station.
On the way to Agra.
Buongiorno.
Good morning.
How are we? We're back from our first time on an Indian train. Experiences?
Very good.
Yeah, really
It
good.
was aircon chair class.
Yeah, and you had plans.
Yeah. So we had a very comfortable seat each.
Yeah, it's very comfortable, reclined.
Sorry.
After you.
Loads of leg room.
Loads of leg room, which is unusual.
Yep.
And I even had a snoring, burping, farting man beside me as an extra. So it's all part of the trip, I suppose, isn't it?
Constant chai, water, food up and down the carriage.
And very quick, 3 hours from
Jaipur, the Shatabdi Express.
Definitely worth it. And how much was it?
Can't remember. About
booked online.
I think it was either £11 to £13 each.
So, and if you want to go on general class, I think it's like about £1. It's very cheap.
Yeah.
So yeah, but it was comfortable. I'd definitely do it again.
Yeah, it was very comfortable.
Yeah.
Smooth ride, peaceful.
So now let's go check out Agra, hey? What has Agra got to offer apart from the Taj? So we're on the roof of the Sterling Hotel. We've been told you can see the Taj from here. We haven't seen it yet.
No, we're looking.
Cannot see the Taj. Oh, there she is. Tiny. It's the Taj. We've seen it.
We can see, yay!
Wow.
Haha.
Tiny in the background. But yeah, we can see it.
Something you always see in books when you're growing up, don't you? About travel.
Always see it.
It's one of the 7 wonders.
Yeah.
But to think it's there.
It's in front of us. Yeah.
Not on the page of the book.
The tiny Taj. Well, it's warm here.
Woo.
Warm and dusty, isn't it?
Warm and dusty.
Yes. Yeah, I don't really know much about the layout here in Agra.
No.
I think a lot of the hotels are concentrated a bit away from the Taj and Agra itself, aren't they?
But there are supposed to be a lot of restaurants around that area as well.
Okay, good. Let's go find one, hey?
Okay, so we're here now at Shiro's, which is a cafe run by acid attack survivors. Cool little place, peaceful vibe, and you pay, there's Western and Indian cuisine, and you pay what you think the food is worth.
Oh wow. So I've gone for a veggie cheeseburger. Yeah, very basic, very plain looking. I'm going to give it the taste test. Well, it's better than the McDonald's one. And I'm starving. So if you put anything in front of me now, I'll eat it. And yeah, we're in India. We're eating burger and chips. So what?
So after quite a bit of curry the last few days, opted for a burger. Losing the menu.
No.
Opted for a burger, so let's give this a try. I think that's nice.
Oh, cool. Yeah, it's very basic, but does the job.
Sometimes simple
Basic
is
is
good.
yeah. So that was Shiro's, guys.
Yeah, definitely must if you're in Agra seeing the Taj and you have extra time.
Yeah, even if you just pop in for a coffee or a light bite to eat, all goes to a good cause.
Excellent cause.
More
and
of these.
raises awareness.
Yeah. I'd like to see more of these sort of cafes and bars about. Hey?
Yes.
Okay then, guys, on to the next thing. So guys, we're here. We're at the rooftop bar. We've got Kingfisher. Cheers. So we're at a rooftop bar and we're staring at one of the wonders of the world.
Yes.
One of the must-see things before you die.
And no one's up here but us.
And no one's here.
Why is that?
Yeah. We'll probably see a lot more tourists at the Taj, but that's probably about it. India doesn't seem to be like a destination people seem to travel to.
Oh, I can count on one hand the amount of Western tourists I've seen since I've been here.
Yeah. It's crazy. It's a huge country, lots to see and do.
So diverse.
Still, no one's really coming to India.
Such a shame.
It's a cheap country, cheap on your pocket, and there's
interesting, cultural,
weather's
diverse.
good. Yeah,
the weather's good.
You know.
Yeah. Come on, people.
Come
Where
on,
are
guys. Come and have a Kingfisher.
What's the matter with you?
Something's wrong with you, of course, or is there something wrong with us?
Right, guys, just had to nip back to the apartment, a quick costume change.
Someone spilled crap all over herself again. Anyway, we're going back out. We're going to try and get a better view of the Taj.
Oh, a teaser.
So, if you're coming to Agra and you can't afford the 1300 rupiah for the Taj,
this is a great alternative.
yeah, 100 rupiah. There's the Taj, the mini Taj.
But we're sure if you've actually travelled all the way to get to Agra, you've not come to see Agra Town.
Not just to see Agra, definitely not.
Oh my God, there's a tiger.
Oh, there's a crocodile there as well. Wow, look at that bear, guys. It looks like a cosy place to drink as well. This would be great for kids. Didn't realise there was this much nature here, guys. Definitely worth the 100 rupiah. That was Agra.
But we couldn't round this day off.
Yeah, without trying the local sweets they have. It's famous here in Agra. You have to try it.
We've got our little bag of sweets with love.
Yes, and it's called Peta.
What's it made from then?
Pumpkin of some sort of gourd.
A gourd.
Yeah.
And sugar. So,
and sugar.
Yeah.
And there's two brands you're supposed to have. Panchi and Quality. They're the ones you're supposed to go for. We went in a Panchi shop and it looks like they've given us a box of these, which don't look like the Panchi originals. So have we got fakes, guys? Have we been ripped off again?
But it's got a love heart on the box.
It's got a love heart.
So I'm happy.
Let's open them up.
Cool.
Whoa. They've been sitting in the sun, these ones. So here they are, guys. This box is warm. A warm Peta good for you? So it's got a little bit of coconut smell and it smells a little bit like swimming pools. Right, let's get stuck in.
Go for it, Ads.
So they're a little bit watery. Have a little bite.
You're not selling it to me.
That was like a hot, wet. I don't know if these are healthy, guys. Wet and hot Peta. Anyway, Agra, what do we think about that?
So
it's very dusty. There's lots of child beggars here, which is a shame, but because it's a tourist destination, isn't it?
And that is the reality of India.
Yeah. There's hotels around and a few restaurants. It's all centred around the Taj. There's the fort.
Yeah, I was just going to say there's a red fort, but we opted not to do that
because we've just done a fort in Jaipur. I wouldn't recommend Agra as a place to visit unless you're going to see the Taj.
Having been around what we've seen today, I can see why people are coming in and out the following day.
Leaving soon, yeah.
Okay.
That was our little roundup of Agra. Taj tomorrow, guys. Oh my God.